Okay, what we've done so far now is pull the doors off the car, we've pulled the interior out of the car, we're about to unstrap everything from the body and get it off the chassis. See how bad this chassis actually is. We're going to grab our friends over at NPD, see what we can get, some new parts, new front end pieces, maybe a couple of new A-frames, some springs, get this thing going really good. Let's go see how bad it is. All right, we've got the body off the chassis. Chassis looks pretty good. What do you think we're going to be doing next here?
Basically, we're to clean up body work, cleaning the frame. We'll pull the motor out and just pull all the rubbers off, get everything ready to put the new motor in, brackets and such, and get ready, you know, for paint.
Well, we'll see how that's going to go. What about the chassis? Looks pretty good though.
Chassis is real good shape. We lucked out. Obviously, this thing probably was inside, so it's not going to do too much. I mean, just a little bit of sanding and pressure washing and cleaning it up, and I think it'll be ready to go.
All right, well, we'll get started on this and let you guys see what it's going to look like. We'll be right back after the word from our sponsors.